This question is from GATE 2012 of Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 54. For a particular project, 8 activities are to be carried out. Their relationships with other activities and expected durations are mentioned below. So we have the activities, their predecessors and the duration. Using this we can form the network diagram. Critical path for the project is, simply we need to find out the critical path of the project, which is the path which has the longest duration in days. Let's draw the network diagram first. So the first activity is activity A. Let's start with the start node, activity A, its end node. The next one is B, which has the predecessor as A. But we can see that C and D also has the same predecessor, activity A. So we'll branch out B and D all from this end node of A. Now we see that activity E has the predecessor B, F has D. After B there is activity E, activity F after activity D and activity E after activity B. Now we see next one. G is our next activity having predecessors both C and E. So C and E should meet at a single node. We'll make the arrow for C a little longer. So this is activity C meeting at the one node with E so that we can draw activity G here. Now F and G are coming together because both lead to the next activity, which is activity H, last activity of the project, and the project ends here. So this is the network diagram. It is correct as per the predecessors given. Let's write the durations here. A has duration 3, B has 4, C 5, D has 4 again, E has 2 days, F has 9 days, G has 6 days and H has 2 days. Now to find out the critical path, we need to write all the paths and then calculate their corresponding durations. The duration will be in days. Let's write the paths. So the first path we can see here is A, B, E, G, H. A, B, E, G, H. The next possible path is A, C, G, H. So we have A, C, G, H. And the third path that is possible is A, D, F, H. A, D, F, H. Let's calculate the durations for each path. We have duration of A being 3, of B being 4. So 3 plus 4, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 6, 15, plus 2, 17. Duration of the first path is 17 days. For ACGH we have 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14, plus 2, 16. So this path has the duration of 16 days. For ADFH, we have 3 plus 4, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 2, 18. So we can clearly see the longest path with duration of 18 days is ADFH. So this is the critical path. 18 days is the critical duration while ADFH is the critical path. Let's go back and mark the correct option. The critical path for the project is option C, ADFH. To learn more about critical path method, you can refer to the NPTEL video lecture 34 critical path method from the course lecture series on advanced operations research. This is by Professor G. Srinivasan. He is from Department of Management Studies from IIT Madras. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.